We're going to continue in our series with how the keyboard on a PC is different from that of the Mac, and that there are some missing keys in there. The ones we're going to focus on are the PageUp, the PageDown, the Home, and the End keys. So let's take a look. So in my last video I talked about the delete key. Now the insert key, this one is not used on a Mac. There's no real toggle switch for this. What this is it turns the cursor from a vertical line to a block, and what it'll do is it's like it's Pac-Man. It just eats the next character that you type in and overwrites it. There are some apps that allow you to use that feature, but you have to, it's like a setting, so there's no toggle button that switches it on and off. That's what the insert key is. So these two, the home and the end, home either takes you to the beginning of the line or it takes you to the beginning of the document, depending on the app that you use. The end key does the opposite, takes you to the end of the line or it takes you down to the end of the document. PageUp brings you up a page, PageDown brings you down a page. Okay, so here is our Mac keyboard, and I'm going to show you how to use the PageUp, PageDown, Home, and End keys on a Mac keyboard. Alright, so to use the PageUp and PageDown keys is by holding the function key. Function key up is PageUp, function key down is PageDown, and function key right is End, function key left is Home. Should have said it the other way around. Anyway, so here's a little thing that ChatGPT made up. Anyways, so we're at the beginning of our document. We're going to use PageUp, PageDown commands. So first off, hold down the function key and let's do a page down. So you notice it goes down about a page, and go page up, back, up, and down. Now let's do the end key. The end key is function and right, and this should take us, it either takes you to the end of the document, but sometimes it takes you to the end of the line. So it, again, it depends what kind of document you're using. So function and end. This is Google Sheet. This is Pages, and it takes you to the beginning and the end. So again, let me show you function, and the right key is end, and function and the left key is home. So in this case, it takes you up to the beginning. Now in the back, I have a Microsoft Word document. Now if I did the same thing, function and right, it just takes you to the end of the line, and function and left takes you to the beginning, but it serves the same purpose as a home key and an end key. And let's do the page up and down. Page down, yeah, it takes you about a page, page up. And the reason why you would use this is to just get you from place to place fast, instead of using this track bar or a mouse to find the edge of the column and then drag it up and down. This one, you're at your keyboard and you're just able to get wherever you need to get to just as fast or faster. It just, for me, it's just simpler to just use a keyboard, but that's how you use it. Page up, page down, home, and end key. Please. Now I hope this helped you out. If it did, click the like button and share it with your friends. Until next time, aloha.